Hello everyone, my name is Leszek Gasieniec, and I'm a professor and a former head of computer science department at the University of Liverpool in the United Kingdom. Currently, I am the head of world-renowned networks and distributed computing group in Liverpool. I am also a co-leader of Network Sciences and Technologies Initiative, NEST, which is responsible for more applied activities of our research group members. Among the others, I am an editor for Theoretical Computer Science, which is a leading journal in the field, and Journal of Interconnection Networks. I also edited multiple conference proceedings and special issues devoted to these conferences. I have an extensive collaboration around the world, probably to a lesser extent in APAC region, so I see this initiative as a chance to change this. So what are my research interests? I mainly work in the design and analysis of algorithms and data structures. This includes search methods, distributed and randomized algorithms. I listed here several groups of problems I'm working on in recent years. This includes pattern search and matching methods, data compression, probe design, evolutionary trees, and other applications in computational biology. Second group refers to parallel models and computation. The third, network problems, including network design and communication, mobile agents and robotics, and more recently, population protocols, which are used to understand the power of pairwise interactions in large populations. The last group of problems refers to network visualization and predictive analytics. I published more than 200 papers, roughly 80 journal papers and 120 conference papers, and some other research positions. These attracted almost 6,000 citations, and according to Google Scholar, my hash index is currently 44. So yes, I do mostly research in theory of computing, but I also have interest in development projects. I brought here the list of 5 of these projects. The top 3 were done together with my colleague in this initiative, Dr. Russell Martin, who at that time was my colleague at the University of Liverpool. The first project is a web-based system for undergraduate and postgraduate projects. This system was developed for computer science department, but later on it was adopted by many other departments across the whole university. 2 other projects done together with Dr. Martin were focused on Twitter data analytics. The first one referred to market research methods and was done together with Dollywagon, now color text. The second one was a conference support tool developed together with MSP Global Limited. I also worked and use methods in predictive analytics for 2 different customers. One of them was Improver Limited, when we analyzed procurement data, and the second one was with NHS Blood and Transplant, and we looked at their NHS customer data. So what is my contribution to Foot Pain App? Historically, I was a co-creator of the initial concept of the Foot Pain App, as this was a joint initiative of NEST, which I mentioned before, and Dr. Simon Platt's team, who was at that time based in Liverpool region. Research-wise, I have a strong interest in visualization and analysis of data methods, and also related to this, computational geometry, data structures, and widely understood AI methods. So what is our intention? So I'd like to see full development of a successful foot pain and recording and analysis app. This is to support collection of data and further diagnosis in APAC region. Of course, we don't want to stop there. We want to see further improvement of our product and further development of similar tools that can be used in a health system. On a more personal motivation, I'd like to really use this opportunity to create a research impact. Most of my research is in theory of computing, and this is a great opportunity to translate my knowledge into more applied tool. Also, as mentioned before, I'll be establishing a research collaboration in the region as a single researcher, but also as a representative of the University of Liverpool. I'd like to conclude this short presentation with the most important motivation that probably I have. And that motivation summarized by sentence once said by Mahatma Gandhi. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you very much for your attention.